और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Iqfa University, Meghalaya.
Khynnah Skul bat kinohikai jonga Skul BK Bajoria kila Ïaid rally nadu na Skul terter sha khandailat bat penkot pat Shillong Club. Kani kejia rally kedai kum kadak ke Jingrakhe yaka Sngi Pyrshah Drok lani ke International Day Against Drug Abuse bat ban shimbentaru ha ke jingya linti jongkari ban penko yaki nongdi penbuat ki basniu lani ke Nasha Muk Bharat.
Everyone, my name is Khynnah, and I'm the president of Interact Club here at BK Bajoria School. Today, our principal, ma'am, our teachers, they have taken us on this rally, and it is basically just like an awareness campaign against drugs. So it's basically like an anti-drugs, anti-tobacco campaign. And so we've walked all the way from Shillong Club all the way to Shillong PB's center point. And so we hope that this awareness program hopefully actually does its job and brings awareness to people, helps stop drug abuse, helps at least to limit it. To be honest, I do think that Meghalaya has quite a big problem with drugs and tobacco. So of course, by organizing programs like this, even though we are young children, even though we're the younger generation right now, we are doing our best to hopefully bring a positive impact on our community and also hope for more actions. We're doing our best. Is that we are residents of the earth. We are just here for just a while, and we have such beautiful things the earth has given us, like all these trees. It has given us oxygen, and without oxygen we can't live, right? And so we as citizens of the earth, we are just temporary visitors here, right? So while we are here on earth, we should do our best to keep it clean, to respect it, and also as citizens we should be better ourselves by limiting ourselves and staying away from drugs, tobacco, alcohol, or anything like that. That's what I'd like to say. I just like to say that let's keep the earth clean, let's be better citizens and work for the betterment of society and community and the world as a whole.
From BK Bajoria School, Shillong, which is for no drugs. So say yes to life and no to drugs. BK Bajoria School. Tell PB point. But every year we do for no tobaccos. Every year we do that. August we do that. But this year first time we are doing for no drugs.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.